Yes, red.
How much is cigarette?
200.
Million pesos.
Tom, how much?
Sold out of condom is 100.
Lubricant do you have?
No.
Grabe madam, ni mo partahan ako madam.
Magana, balaman dado kung makwatahan.
Ang daming pera ni sir.
Sir, give me a money.
We need money.
Bebe na lang ha.
But I want condom now.
Okay
I wanna buy condom.
See you soon ha. Love you too ha.
Love you.
Kung condom na ako nang bakot.
Sold now.
Kasi magkuhan ako ng condom kay gusto ko mag-sorback.
Naunja na kung naa. Cigarette!
Lubricant yan na sir.
Wala mo kung mabalik ang lubricant.